Start by unboxing your Oral-B IO6 electric toothbrush. Place the toothbrush on its magnetic charging stand and charge for at least 3 hours until the battery is completely full. While your toothbrush charges, download the official Oral-B app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure your smartphone runs iOS 12 or higher or Android 7 or higher for compatibility. Open the Oral-B app and create a new account, or sign in if you already have one. This account will store your brushing data and personalized settings. Now for the Bluetooth pairing process. First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then, press and hold the power button on your toothbrush for 3 seconds to activate pairing mode. The final setup step is installing the brush head. Align the brush head with the handle and push down firmly until you hear and feel it click into place. The app will automatically detect which type of brush head you've installed. Your Oral-B IO6 is now fully set up and ready to use. The toothbrush is charged, connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and the brush head is properly installed. You can now access all the smart features through the app. The Oral-B IO6 offers 5 specialized brushing modes, each designed for specific oral care needs. Each mode uses different intensity levels and timing to optimize your cleaning experience. Daily Clean mode provides the standard 2-minute brushing routine recommended by dentists. This is your go-to mode for everyday oral hygiene maintenance. Sensitive mode offers gentler cleaning for those with sensitive teeth or gums. It reduces intensity while maintaining effective plaque removal. Gum Care mode extends brushing time to 3 minutes, focusing specifically on gum health and the gum line where plaque tends to accumulate. Each brushing mode can be customized with 3 intensity levels. Level 1 provides gentle cleaning, Level 2 offers standard intensity, and Level 3 delivers maximum cleaning power. The Oral-B app transforms your brushing experience with real-time coaching and detailed feedback. The app uses 3-dimensional mouth visualization to show exactly which areas you've brushed and which areas need more attention. The app provides detailed brushing scores and session summaries. You can see your brushing time, coverage percentage, and any overpressure alerts to help you improve your technique. Track your oral health progress with comprehensive daily, weekly, and monthly reports. The app monitors your gum health improvements and provides personalized recommendations based on your brushing patterns. The app includes a smart timer system that guides you through each quadrant of your mouth. The pressure sensor provides real-time feedback to prevent gum damage while ensuring effective cleaning. The app offers additional features including brush head replacement reminders, family account management for multiple users, and the ability to share your progress data with your dental professional for better oral health monitoring. With 5 brushing modes, customizable intensity levels, and comprehensive app integration, the Oral-B IO6 provides a personalized oral care experience that adapts to your specific needs and helps you achieve optimal dental health.